Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to watch CNN on YouTube TV in 2025. Whether you're catching up on breaking news, live debates, or exclusive interviews, YouTube TV makes it easy to stream CNN anytime, anywhere. Let's dive in. First, open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, smartphone, or computer. If you haven't already, sign into your account using your Google credentials. If you're new to YouTube TV, you'll need to subscribe to the service and check if CNN is included in your plan. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type CNN. You should see CNN appear in the search results. Click on it to watch live or browse past shows and clips available in the library. If you want to add CNN to your favorites, simply select the channel and click the plus or add button. This will make it easier to access CNN from your home screen in the future. For those who like to record live shows, you can use YouTube TV's DVR feature to save CNN broadcasts. Just click on the Add to Library option, and your selected programs will be available for playback anytime. If CNN isn't available in your region, you might need to use a supported VPN to access the channel. Just ensure your VPN is connected to a location where YouTube TV offers CNN streaming. And that's it. You're all set to watch CNN on YouTube TV in 2025. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.